Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm happy.
Yes, always happy. Have you eaten?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, so we're here in speaking. Okay, so we will just going to continue our lesson, Miranda. Okay, so based on activity 3, look at photos 3 and 4 on page 96 and note down as many points of similarity and difference as you can. So note down as many of similarity and difference as you can. Okay. So what is picture 1 again? Photo 1? Where is she?
A woman going to the supermarket.
Yeah, supermarket. And how about the picture 2? How about the picture 2? This picture. What kind of market is it? If it's the supermarket, what is the
The
picture
police going to the
to?
market. Outside
Okay.
market.
Mhm. Okay, so it's a local market.
Mẹ bảo con chị là mẹ bảo là đừng có bến mảng đừng có tivi nữa. Thế thì vào xem đi. Đi đi. Vào đi sao cũng vậy đấy chị không biết đâu đi. Đừng bảo chị không nhắc về. Đi vào đi. Cứ vào đi. Qua tao gì đâu. Thân em tự lo.
Okay, so picture 1 is she's in supermarket. In picture 2, they are in the local
Ở đâu?
store. Okay, so Miranda,
Ở đâu ấy?
can you tell
Ở đâu
me
đấy? Có em có phim ăn được không anh?
can you tell
Có
me
phim
what is the
Harry Potter.
similarity and difference between the two pictures? Similarities and differences between these two pictures. So you will going to tell me what did you observe or noticed between these two pictures? Okay, let's
Đấy.
start.
Không ăn đâu.
Hmm?
Chân đi.
Jenny.
Đâu? Chân đi.
Okay.
Jenny.
Jenny, are you a fan of Jenny?
No. I'm
No.
a fan of Sung Kang. Do
Who?
you know
Who?
him?
No, I haven't heard.
Yeah. Sung Kang.
What is the name? What is the name? Tam?
Sung Kang.
Ah,
Let me
Song
show you the
Kang.
picture of her.
All right. Is it your idol, Song Kang? Your
Yes.
idol? Yes. Okay. All right, Miranda. So let's start our lesson. Okay, so you will going to tell me what is the similarities and differences between these two pictures. Here and here.
Uh,
In terms of, for example, in terms of environment. One is inside of establishment and one is in the outside. One is air conditioned and one is not. Just okay. It's just an example. For example, the atmosphere. What is the difference between the atmosphere and these two picture? Like atmosphere, it is.
Uh,
Hmm?
wait.
Okay, you can do it. We can start with the atmosphere or with the place, with the environment. Picture one is, or photo one is,
Picture one, photo one is a
Mhm.
woman who is
is,
going to the supermarket.
okay. How about the atmosphere, Miranda?
What is that small sphere?
It's a place. Atmosphere is a place.
Oh, teacher, wait just for a minute. I wrote
Okay.
down.
Okay. Welcome back.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the difference? Okay, let's start with the atmosphere in this picture. Picture one is what do you see? The environment, the ambience or the surroundings of picture one. What can you say about it? What is your observation? It is it is bright,
What
right?
is so?
Uh-huh. What is it, Miranda? What
What
is?
is operation?
What is?
What is uh what is operation?
Can you can okay, one more. Is it variation, you said? What is what word is
What
it?
did you have to say?
Observation. Observation. Sorry. Hmm? Hmm?
What is observation? What is observation?
Like observation is what you noticed. Okay, what did you notice? Like it
Uh,
is.
uh,
What do you notice? Observation. Okay, just look at the picture, Miranda. So tell me what is your observation? What is the similarities? So they have similarities and they have differences between these two picture. Like for example, I told you earlier. What is it? I told you earlier. Ah. Okay. So this is Songkang. Okay.
yeah.
Hmm.
Do
Okay.
you watch a film on Netflix?
On? What? Do you what?
Netflix.
Netflix? What is it? I mean,
Yes.
what
Net
series? Hmm?
Netflix
Oh, yes,
is an app.
I have. I have. Okay, what about it?
And have you ever watched Sweet Home?
Sweet,
Have you ever watched the
no,
film Sweet Home?
I haven't. Okay, I will check it later. Okay.
Everything that
Okay, I will check it later. Okay, Miranda. As I was saying, Miranda, you were going to spot the differences and similarities in these two picture. So they have similarities and they have differences. And what are they? There's no wrong answer. Just what did you notice between these two picture? It is based fully on your observation. For example, I gave you an
the
example earlier. Picture one has is bright and is indoor.
the
It
thing
is, and then the picture two, the other picture is outdoor. Okay, how about you? What
the
can you add
sim
more?
the,
Picture two,
the similarity
the
is
similarities are very good.
is are they in picture one and picture two the people in two picture are both buying fruit and food food.
Food, yes. Local market and supermarket both offering food. Okay, for the local consumers. Well done, Miranda. And what are the difference? What are the difference that you
The
see that you can
difference
the difference?
is in picture one I can see only one person, but in picture I can see many people.
Many people. Okay, what
In,
else? What
in
else? How about
picture one,
okay, how about
I just see itself
okay. Is the
in picture one is sell food, and in picture two is sell fruits.
yeah, sell fruits and okay. So did you mention about it like picture one they are selling food and what kind of food they are selling? What kind of food is this? It is compared to picture two they are selling what? Okay, in supermarket in picture one they are selling processed food. Processed food. In picture two, they are selling organic food, like it is natural fruits, right? It is unprocessed. So it's, hmm? In picture two, they are selling more healthy or
Healthy
healthier, healthier goods.
food.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So you spot on the difference and the similarities between these two pictures. Very good. Okay, so let's now move to part to part 2. Okay, activity 4. Look at the exam instruction and exercise 5 and what does candidate A have to do? What does candidate B have to do? Okay, so before you answer this question, let's read the exam task. Okay. Work in pairs and do the exam task. Each of you will be given two paragraphs. You have to talk about your photographs on your own for about a minute and also answer a short question about your partner's photographs. Okay, let's start, Miranda, with candidate A. Can you read this for me? Hmm? Candidate A.
It's your turn first. Look at paragraphs 1 and 2. They show people buying food.
Mhm.
Compare the photographs and say why you think the people choose to buy food there. Talk about
Mhm.
your photographs on your own for about a minute.
Yes. Mhm. Candidate B. What does candidate B said? Do you like?
You like go shopping? Why not?
Okay. Do you like go food shopping, Miranda? Mm.
I don't like because I'm too lazy to go out.
Wow. So for example, your mother is going to a grocery shopping. You are not accompanying her. You are not going with her. Like for example, to the mall.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what is the
No.
reason
And I
so what is the reason why not? Why you don't like? Aside from the reason that you are too lazy to go out. Is there any reason?
I think it's boring.
Oh,
It's very
okay.
boring.
It's boring. Okay. All right, so let's proceed to candidate B. Look at photographs.
Look at photographs 3 and 4 on page 96. They show people eating out. Compare the photograph and say what you think would be enjoyable about having a meal there. Talk
Mm-hmm.
about your photographs on your own for about a minute. Candidate A, which of these two kinds of place do you prefer to go watch?
Okay, which of these two kinds of place do you prefer to go to and why? Here. Would you prefer oops. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, would you prefer to eat outdoor or indoor? Would you prefer to eat
Uh,
alone or would you prefer to eat with your family? Mhm.
I prefer the indoor.
Indoor with family or alone?
Alone.
Alone, okay. Why, Miranda? Why do you prefer to eat alone? Can you share
Because
what's
I
the
like to
reason? Mm-hmm. Aside from that,
because
of
I like
yeah,
to
yes. Given that, of course, you want to eat alone, um, of course, you want to be alone, but can you share what's the reason why or no?
because I don't like crowded place.
I don't. Okay. Mm-hmm. So we are similar. I also don't like crowded place. And I barely go out to eat outside. Okay. All right. Okay, where are we? Okay, going back. Okay, going back to exercise 4, Miranda, based on what you've read from the exam task. Okay, what does candidate A have to do? Okay, in this first exam task, in this activity, candidate A and candidate B, it is focusing on buying food. Like, do you like to go food shopping? Why and why not? And this in the second line, in this blue paper in the second line, it is focusing on whether or would you prefer, where do you prefer to eat? Okay, so it is focusing on eating out. All right, so let's go back to activity 4. What does candidate A have to do based on what you've read, Miranda? Okay, so there's a tip here, exam tip. Don't panic. Okay, don't panic if you don't know much about the topic of you. Okay, sorry. Don't panic if you don't know much about the topic or you are unsure what is in the photograph. Keep keep talking and use phrases like it may be, it could be, or it looks like, etc. So you will going to use this expression. Okay, it may be, it could be, and it looks like. So what does candidate A have to do based on the text that you've read? You can use this expression. It may be, it could be, it looks like. There's no wrong answer, Miranda. Just try to answer this question. What does candidate A, this is candidate A. What does candidate A have to do?
Look at photograph 1 and 2. Compare the photographs.
Mm-hmm.
Say why you think people choose to buy food there. Talk
Okay.
about your photograph on
Mm-hmm.
your about a minute. Which of these two kind of place do you prefer to go? Why?
Mm-hmm. So what does the candidate A have to do based on what you've read? They are compare from the word itself. They are
They compare
yes, comparing or
the
and explaining. Mm-hmm. Why do people choose to buy food there? So they are comparing the stores between the supermarket and local markets. So that is what is candidate A have to do. And the candidate A also asked questions. Okay, how about the second question? What does candidate B have to do? Candidate B. Candidate B is okay. His candidate
do
B
you
said, "Do you like to go food shopping? Why and why not?" So what does candidate
why
B?
not?
Yes. So what does candidate B have to do?
Ask.
Ask. Very good. Candidate B first. Okay. Candidate B must listen first and then ask the follow-up questions. Very good, Miranda. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay, reading and use of English. Fixed phrases. Wait. Okay, reading and use of English. Fixed phrases. Replace the underlined words with these fixed phrases. Okay, can you read this for me first, Miranda? The words inside the box. At ease. Mhm. Lollipop.
I, I break my get on my nerves. It's attractive too. Keep me
Hmm?
company. Leave me alone. Lose touch. Provide to someone. Takes me for granted.
Mm-hmm. Takes me for granted. Okay, number one. Okay. At ease at first sight. Break my heart, get on my nerves, is attracted to, keep you company, leave me alone, lose touch, propose to someone. And takes me for granted. Okay, so we will going to choose. We will going to use these words to replace the underlined words in each sentence. Okay? Okay, Miranda? Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's start with number
Yes.
one. Mhm. When? Okay, can you read number one for me? When?
When I take my dog for a walk, I feel completely restricted.
Completely relax, it says.
Relaxed.
Okay, relax. So, what? Okay, in this underline, in these words, in this phrase that is given, that is given, okay, you will going to replace completely relaxed by what? You will going to choose from here. When I take my dog for a walk, I feel what? It says completely relaxed. So what is the similar word or similar phrase for this word? What is your answer? Just try.
Um,
What is your
at
answer?
first sight.
Huh?
At first sight.
At first sight, when I take my dog for a walk, I feel at first sight. No, that is wrong. I I think you know your I think you know the answer. You're just what? Joking around? I know you know the answer, Miranda. So
I
what is
don't
the correct?
know.
You know. What is
I
the what
nearly don't know.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I know that you know.
I don't know.
Okay. When I take my dog for a walk, I feel completely relaxed. Relaxed means what? Okay, let's try.
At else?
What? What is your answer?
At
I-
else?
At ease. At ease. At ease.
At ease.
Yes, the correct answer for number one is at ease. Very good. So this is we can replace completely relaxed with the phrase at ease because it has the same or similar meaning. Okay? At ease, it means relax, at ease. I am at ease now. I am relaxed now. Okay? That's the meaning of it. Okay. Number two, he keeps.
He calling me early in the morning. It's starting to annoy me.
Yes, it's starting to annoy,
Leave me
annoy.
alone. Leave
He
me
keeps.
alone.
Mm-hmm. What is your answer? It says that annoy
Leave
me.
me alone.
Is it leave me alone? Okay,
Leave
let's
me
try.
alone.
Let's try. He keeps calling me early in the morning and it's starting to leave me alone. Is it correct? Okay, leave me alone is the expression when you are annoyed. But what is the similar
It's
meaning of
starting
annoy
to
me? It's
get on my nerves.
yes. So Okay, get on my nerves and annoy me. Leave me alone. Okay. He keeps calling me early in the morning and it's starting to get on my nerves. It means that it's starting to annoy me. It means, okay, so if someone, for example, if someone annoy you, instead of saying you are annoying, I am annoyed with you, or he or she is annoying me. Okay, or annoying me. You can just simply say that she's or he's getting on my nerves. Okay? Okay, Miranda? But I hope you don't use that phrase.
Again.
Huh? Oh, okay. Can you re-enter the Zoom
Yeah.
again, Miranda? We will going to continue.
Okay.
Okay. Re-enter the Zoom again.